a very good evening and a warm welcome to the press box. We're live from the Kampala Serena Hotel. Arsenal's first goal of the campaign coincided with their first victory as well. From a weekend that saw huge wins for Manchester City, Chelsea, Liverpool, plus of course Cristiano Ronaldo's return to Old Trafford. Back home, a big story, not a scandal, but a big story that has seen two of Uganda's representatives at the continent having to go through most of their games without their preferred coaches in the dugout. The good thing, URA had their coach for the final 5 minutes. The best thing from the entire story, though, is that both Ugandan sides won their fixtures. Plus, of course, on the show tonight, we shall be crossing over to London, where we catch up with Max Ali, crossover to Botswana, where we catch up with Innocent Ndaula. It's a cocktail of sport coming your way. Once again, we're live from the Kampala Serena Hotel. We are proudly powered by DSTV and Guinness. My name is Andrew Kabuura. Before I introduce the big panel that is in the building tonight, first things first, the headlines. Thank you very much for watching the press box tonight. My name is Andrew Kabuura. One more time, let me quickly take you through the panel. I start off with the head of sport at NMG and welcoming him as well from a first world country back in the nation, Ismail Dakaba. Good evening, my friend, and welcome back to the press box.
Glad to be here. I'm now fitting into your time zone because I've had to be on this show for the past 1 month, showing up at 4 a.m. Japan time. I was part of the Paralympics, the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics. I was thinking, what can I do for these Paralympians beyond just the journalists? Because I'll decide the space. I could order you one of these days, Andrew, to host David Emongo or Peace Oroma or any of the, or if we hosted Husna Kukunda, I think she'll tell a very, very good story. If a mother could get her, because she's only 14, maybe with the kind of brands that we represent, may not be the best idea, but it's a story I want to tell and retell again and again. Well, welcome back. I hope you're acclimatizing well, and I also hope you haven't forgotten any of the local dialects. Let me quickly move on to Mr. of course, Andrew Mwangusha, who is a columnist with the Daily Monitor.